Acne Treatment Serum. BREYLEE Tea Tree Clear Skin Serum for clearing severe acne, breakout, remove or pimple and repair skin. 17 ml 0.6 ounces. Rich tea tree oil and tea pholyphenols to heal acne. Rich in tea tree oil and Camellia Sinensis leaf extracts, along with the strong permeability, our tea tree serum can denature the protein sediment so as to achieve a strong healing effect which extremely help to heal acne from the source and preventing future breakouts. Mild formula and light texture. The formula is mild with multiple plants extract. It is refreshing and not greasy, which can be quickly absorbed. Continue use 3 to 4 weeks. It will effectively treat the acne and pimples and repair the rough phenomenon caused by the acne. For severe acne, it is recommended to use this serum for 2 cycles. Reduce redness and repair skin. Containing with multiple natural ingredients, our acne treatment serum can enhance the skin cells' yin metabolism, effectively reduces the redness of the acne and pimples, maintain the skin elasticity, moisture and repair the skin. Advanced strong penetration capacity. Our acne treatment serum with small molecules has strong penetration ability that can be deeply penetrated into the skin, and it will effectively treat and remove acne and pimples and helps to undo skin damage, shrink the pores, improve the rough phenomenon caused by the acne and soothe the skin. Packaged included and friendly service. Package included 117 ml acne treatment serum. Comes with friendly service. If you have any questions or ideas when using the acne serum, simply message us and we will help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.